Yeah, like everything I do, I charge by the job. I don't really have a square foot price. Um, when I got quotes, it was kind of all over the place, and it really depended on what people were doing. So now that I'm doing it myself, because that's how this started. This started with me needing to do like 1,000 feet of 5 foot wide sidewalks, and by the time we finished that, we were pretty damn good at it. So experts, I wouldn't say experts, but I got a crew that can lay it down and smooth it out real nice and broom finish it. It's nothing special. We're definitely not concrete guys, man. I'm a landscaper. I can do a little patio. I can do a little sidewalk. You know what I mean? We do all right. But because I'm charging for excavation, for setup, for gravel base, a lot of times there's a grade adjustment that's got to happen in there somewhere. By the time you go through and do all of that stuff, and then clean it up at the end, backfill it, resod it or seed it. They are all over the place. I would say I think that little job was like $5,000 or something. There was another section of pathway that you guys didn't get to see though. It was really rough looking, but actually it finished I think even better than the first part. But either way, yeah, I don't know. I don't have a square foot price, man. I don't. I have a price for every little step along the way. And I guess I can show you the write-up for that particular estimate and the price on it.